our lives, we're constantly creating memories. From birthdays, bar mitzvahs and family Christmases, to weddings and anniversaries. We take photos and videos of these milestones, thereby capturing the faces and voices of people we treasure the most. But over the years, these videos and tapes slowly fade and deteriorate until one day they're ruined beyond repair, and our dearest memories lost forever. But what if all those special moments could be saved? At Media SOS, we have the latest technology to convert your old tapes into digital format, so that your memories can be preserved and shared with future generations. So dig out your videos and tapes today and let us take care of them for you. Media SOS. Treasure the past, save it to last.